Hello everyone, and welcome to our English practice session for today. My name is Mr. Only, and I am very happy to help you learn English. Today we are talking about two very important things for your body and your health. We are talking about morning exercise and drinking water. These are simple habits, but they are very good for you. In this lesson, we will listen to simple English and speak slowly. This will help you understand every word and improve your listening skills. We want to make sure you feel confident when you speak. Learning English is like exercise because you must do it every day to get stronger. Please listen carefully to the words and the way we say them. We will use easy sentences so you can follow along without any trouble. Let us start our lesson now and enjoy the journey of learning together. I hope you are ready to practice with me and Sarah today.
Hello, everyone, and I am Sarah. I am here to practice English with you and Mr. Only. Today, we are in a bright and sunny living room. It is early in the morning and the sun is just coming up. This is a very peaceful time of the day. It is the perfect time to move your body and wake up your mind. In this lesson, Mr. Only and I will talk about how we start our day. We will talk about stretching our arms and legs. We will also talk about why we need to drink a big glass of water right after we wake up. We will use very simple English words that you use every day. You do not need to worry about difficult vocabulary. Just listen to the flow of the conversation. Think about your own morning routine while you listen to us. Now, let us begin our long conversation and practice our English speaking together.
Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well last night?
Good morning, Mr. Only. Yes, I slept very well, thank you. I feel very fresh today. How about you, Mr. Only?
I feel good, Sarah, but my back feels a little bit stiff. I think I need to do some morning exercise right now.
That is a great idea, Mr. Only. Stretching in the morning is the best way to wake up the body. What exercise do you want to do first, Mr. Only?
I want to stretch my arms first, Sarah. I will reach my hands up high toward the ceiling. Can you see me, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, I can see you. You are reaching very high. Does that feel good, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah, it feels wonderful. My shoulders feel much better now. Now I am going to touch my toes. It is hard to reach my toes today, Sarah.
Take it slow, Mr. Only. Do not push yourself too hard. Just go down as far as you can, Mr. Only.
You are right, Sarah. I will go slow. I am reaching down now. Okay, I can touch my feet now, Sarah.
Good job, Mr. Only. Now you should stretch your neck. Turn your head to the left and then to the right, Mr. Only.
I am turning my head to the left now, Sarah. Now I am turning my head to the right. My neck was very tight, Sarah.
I understand, Mr. Only. My neck is often tight in the morning, too. After I stretch, I always feel more energy. Do you feel more energy now, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sarah. I feel much more awake now. Exercise really helps. But Sarah, I'm starting to feel a little bit thirsty.
That is normal, Mr. Only. You must drink water after you move your body. Have you had any water yet today, Mr. Only?
No, Sarah, I have not had any water yet. I usually wait until after my coffee. Is that okay, Sarah?
Well, Mr. Only, it is actually better to drink water before you drink coffee. Your body needs water after a long night of sleep, Mr. Only.
I did not know that, Sarah. Why is it better to drink water first, Sarah?
Because your body is like a dry plant in the morning, Mr. Only. You need to give it water to help it grow and stay healthy. Water wakes up your stomach too, Mr. Only.
That makes a lot of sense, Sarah. I will go to the kitchen and get a glass of water right now. Do you want a glass of water too, Sara?
Yes, please, Mr. Only. I would love a big glass of cold water. Thank you for asking, Mr. Only.
Here is your water, Sara. I filled the glass to the top.
Thank you, Mr. Only. This water looks very clear and refreshing. Are you drinking your water now, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sara, I am drinking it now. It feels very cold and good. I can feel the water going down my throat, Sara.
It is the best feeling, Mr. Only. I try to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Do you drink that much water, Mr. Only?
I try to drink a lot of water, Sara, but sometimes I forget. I get busy with work and I forget to pick up my water bottle, Sara.
You should keep your water bottle on your desk, Mr. Only. If you see it, you will remember to drink it, Mr. Only.
That is a very smart tip, Sara. I will put my water bottle right next to my computer today, Sara.
That is good, Mr. Only. And remember to do your stretches every hour if you are sitting for a long time, Mr. Only.
I will remember, Sara. Stretching and drinking water are my new goals for the day. Thank you for the motivation, Sara.
You are very welcome, Mr. Only. I am happy to help you stay healthy. Shall we do one more stretch together, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sara. Let us do one more. Let us stretch our sides. Lean to the left, Sara.
I am leaning to the left, Mr. Only. Now I am leaning to the right, Mr. Only.
This feels great, Sara. I am ready to start my work now.
I'm ready too, Mr. Only. We had a very good morning routine today, Mr. Only.
We did, Sara. Let us make sure we do this every single morning, Sara.
I agree, Mr. Only. Consistency is the key to health and the key to learning English too, Mr. Only.
You are very wise, Sara. Thank you for practicing with me today, Sara.
In our conversation, Mr. Only and I used many simple sentences. For example, I said that stretching is the best way to wake up the body. This means moving your muscles helps you stop feeling sleepy. I also told Mr. Only that his body is like a dry plant. This is a simple way to say that you need water to live and be strong. When Mr. Only asked if I wanted water, he said, "Do you want a glass of water?" This is a very polite and common way to offer something to a friend. Now let us practice some extra dialogues together to help you learn. Mr. Only, do you have a water bottle?
Yes, Sara. I have a blue water bottle.
Is your water bottle full, Mr. Only?
No, Sara. It is empty. I need to fill it with water, Sara.
Go ahead and fill it, Mr. Only. Drinking water is important.
I am filling it now, Sara. Thank you for reminding me.
Mr. Only, my legs are tired from walking.
You should stretch your legs, Sara.
How do I stretch my legs, Mr. Only?
You can sit on the floor and reach for your toes, Sara.
Okay, Mr. Only. I am sitting on the floor now.
Good, Sara. Now reach forward slowly. Do you feel the stretch, Sara?
Yes, Mr. Only. I feel it in the back of my legs. It feels good. Mr. Only, why are you drinking so much water?
Because I am very thirsty today, Sara. It is very hot outside.
You are right, Mr. Only. When it is hot, we must drink more water.
I already drank 3 glasses, Sara.
That is excellent, Mr. Only. Keep drinking your water.
I will, Sara. I want to stay hydrated all day.
Mr. Only, can you show me a neck stretch?
Of course, Sara. Put your ear down toward your shoulder.
Like this, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sara. Now do the other side, Sara.
Oh, I can hear my neck popping, Mr. Only.
That is okay, Sara. It means your muscles are relaxing.
These small conversations are very useful for learning English. We use the same words many times so you can remember them. We use words like drink and water and stretch and feel. These are basic words, but they are the most important ones. Practice saying these sentences out loud. When you speak out loud, your brain remembers the English better. You can pretend to be Mr. Only, or you can pretend to be me. Just keep practicing every day.
We have come to the end of our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed talking about morning exercise and drinking water. Remember that these small habits make a big difference in your life. Just like practicing English for a few minutes every day will make you a better speaker. I am very proud of you for listening to the whole script. You are doing a great job, and you should feel very happy about your progress.
I am also very proud of you. Learning a new language takes time and patience. Mr. Only and I are here to support you in every step. Please remember to stretch your body today and drink a big glass of water. Stay healthy and keep practicing your English. We will see you in the next lesson for more simple and clear English practice. Have a wonderful and healthy day. Good luck with your studies.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.